The moment the BYD Zhengzhou appeared on the horizon, it became clear that this was no ordinary cargo ship. Standing at the port, spectators watched as a massive silhouette slowly emerged from the sea, growing larger with every passing minute. From a distance, it looked less like a vessel and more like a floating city. As it approached the harbor, tugboats welcomed it with a spectacular water salute, sending giant arcs of water high into the air and creating a rainbow above the ship. Cameras flashed, drones hovered overhead, and visitors rushed to capture the moment. But what exactly made this vessel so special? The BYD Zhengzhou is one of the newest and most advanced vehicle carriers in the world, specifically designed to transport thousands of automobiles across vast oceans. Unlike traditional cargo ships that carry containers filled with goods, this giant vessel is essentially a moving multi-story parking structure built on water. Its primary mission is transporting electric vehicles safely and efficiently from manufacturing centers to international markets. The ship represents a new generation of maritime engineering where size, efficiency, environmental performance, and logistics are combined into one enormous floating machine. Measuring nearly 200 meters in length, the vessel is longer than 2 football fields placed end to end. Its towering structure rises above the water like a modern skyscraper laid horizontally. When visitors first step on board, many struggle to comprehend its scale because photographs simply do not capture its true dimensions. Walking through its interior feels like exploring a massive industrial complex rather than being aboard a ship. Long corridors stretch seemingly forever, enormous vehicle decks extend in every direction, and giant ramps connect multiple levels capable of accommodating thousands of vehicles. Every aspect of the vessel has been engineered to maximize capacity while ensuring the highest standards of safety. The result is a maritime giant that demonstrates how modern shipbuilding has evolved far beyond simply creating larger vessels. It represents a sophisticated transportation platform designed to move products across the globe with remarkable precision and efficiency. One of the most fascinating features of the BYD Zhengzhou is its incredible cargo capacity. Inside the ship are multiple vehicle decks stacked on top of one another like the floors of a gigantic parking garage. These decks are connected by heavy-duty ramps that allow vehicles to be driven directly on board and parked in designated positions. This design is known as roll-on roll-off, often abbreviated as RO-RO, meaning vehicles can simply roll onto the ship at departure and roll off at their destination. While the concept sounds simple, executing it on such a massive scale requires extraordinary engineering. Imagine thousands of vehicles being loaded in a carefully planned sequence, each assigned a specific location to optimize weight distribution and unloading efficiency. Every meter of space is utilized with remarkable precision. The ship's internal lanes are wide enough for multiple vehicles to maneuver safely, and advanced monitoring systems help crews track cargo locations throughout the voyage. If all the vehicles carried by the ship were lined up bumper to bumper, the line would stretch for dozens of kilometers. This enormous capacity allows a single voyage to deliver enough automobiles to satisfy the annual demand of many smaller cities. Beyond sheer volume, the ship is also designed to protect its cargo from the harsh realities of ocean travel. Powerful storms, rough seas, and strong winds can create dangerous conditions, yet the vehicles inside remain secure thanks to sophisticated securing systems and advanced stabilization technology. Sensors constantly monitor conditions throughout the vessel, while specialized ventilation systems maintain suitable environments for the transported vehicles. For electric vehicles, this level of protection is especially important because battery-powered cars require careful handling during long-distance transport. Every detail, from deck layout to cargo management software, has been optimized to ensure maximum safety and efficiency. The result is a floating logistics hub capable of transporting an enormous number of vehicles across thousands of miles while maintaining strict safety standards and operational reliability. What truly sets the BYD Zhengzhou apart from many traditional cargo vessels is the technology hidden beneath its massive exterior. Modern shipping faces increasing pressure to reduce emissions and improve environmental performance, and this vessel represents a significant step toward that goal. Unlike older ships that rely solely on heavy fuel oil, the BYD Zhengzhou incorporates advanced dual-fuel propulsion technology. This allows the ship to operate using liquefied natural gas, commonly known as LNG, which burns much cleaner than conventional marine fuels. By utilizing LNG, the vessel significantly reduces emissions of sulfur oxides, particulate matter, and carbon dioxide. This is particularly important because international shipping accounts for a substantial portion of global transportation emissions. The ship's environmental innovations demonstrate how even large-scale industrial transportation can become cleaner and more sustainable. Beyond its fuel system, the vessel is equipped with cutting-edge navigation and operational technologies. Advanced radar systems continuously monitor surrounding conditions, while satellite communication networks keep the crew connected with ports and logistics centers around the world. Sophisticated route planning software analyzes weather patterns, ocean currents, and traffic conditions to identify the most efficient paths across the sea. One of the ship's most impressive features is its advanced anti-roll stabilization system. Ocean voyages can involve rough seas where waves constantly push and tilt vessels from side to side. To counter these forces, the ship employs stabilization technologies that minimize rolling motion, helping maintain comfort and cargo security. Crew members have reported that even during challenging sea conditions, movement on board remains surprisingly controlled. This stability not only protects the thousands of vehicles carried within the ship, but also enhances operational safety for everyone on board. Combined with automated monitoring systems, intelligent engineering solutions, and environmentally conscious design, the BYD Zhengzhou represents a new generation of cargo vessel that balances size, efficiency, sustainability, and technological sophistication in ways that would have seemed impossible just a few decades ago. Beyond its engineering achievements, the BYD Zhengzhou symbolizes the future direction of global maritime transportation. The world economy depends heavily on shipping, with roughly 90% of international trade moving by sea at some point during its journey. As demand for electric vehicles continues to grow worldwide, specialized carriers like the BYD Zhengzhou will play an increasingly important role in connecting manufacturers with consumers across continents. The ship demonstrates how logistics is evolving from a background service into a strategic capability. Instead of relying entirely on third-party transportation providers, companies are increasingly investing in integrated supply chains that offer greater control over delivery schedules, costs, and operational efficiency. The BYD Zhengzhou embodies this trend by serving as both a transportation asset and a symbol of long-term industrial planning. Every voyage undertaken by the vessel involves complex coordination between ports, logistics centers, shipping routes, customs authorities, and vehicle distribution networks. Yet from the perspective of consumers waiting for new vehicles, the process often appears seamless. Behind that simplicity lies a remarkable combination of engineering, planning, and operational expertise. Looking ahead, vessels like the BYD Zhengzhou may become increasingly common as global trade continues to expand and transportation technologies advance. Future versions could incorporate even cleaner fuels, greater automation, and smarter logistics systems capable of optimizing every aspect of their journeys. For now, however, the BYD Zhengzhou stands as one of the most impressive examples of modern maritime engineering. It is more than a ship carrying cars across oceans. It is a floating showcase of advanced design, environmental innovation, and logistical efficiency. Every time it departs a port and heads toward the horizon, it demonstrates what can be achieved when engineering ambition meets technological capability. From its enormous cargo decks and sophisticated stabilization systems to its cleaner propulsion technology and massive carrying capacity, the BYD Zhengzhou represents a remarkable chapter in the ongoing evolution of global shipping. As it sails across the world's oceans, it reminds us that even in an age dominated by digital technology, some of humanity's most impressive achievements are still measured in steel, engineering, and the ability to move entire industries across the sea.